Excuse me, boss. You have a call on line 1. Would you like me to take a message? I'm sorry to bother you, sir. You have a call on line 1. Would you like me to take a message? I know you are really busy, but you have a very important voicemail message.
You've got mail.
Check your Facebook message.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Your smartphone has received a new text message. Would you like to read it now?
You have a message.
Your phone. Ringing it is. Press the button you must, and fulfill your destiny.
You have a Facebook message.
You have mail.